never going to tell the patient that he has end-stage pancreatic cancer and has already at stage 4 and mess everywhere. In that case, all the ethical principle has interact with each other in a conflicting way. Then, if the family member requests doctor to treat this cancer, although the doctor knows there's no benefit of the treatment, they want the doctor to do everything they can. So now, there's more ethical principle has conflict, right? Because there's a fairness and the do good. If you ask the doctor to do the treatment when doctor knows there's nothing good is going to come out of the treatment, there's also conflicting of those ethical principles. 刚刚举这个例子，如果说这个老先生的家人呢，就告诉医生说，我不管这个病程到什么状况，可是医师你一定要救他，你给他化疗，你给他放射线治疗，你一定要做治疗。这时候就抵触了很多其他的医疗伦理守则，因为一个就是 do good， 因为医师明明知道说这个化疗和放射线治疗做下去对这个病人是没有好处的。第二个守则抵触的就是fairness， 这个化疗和放射线治疗做下去以后是花很多很多钱的。那这些钱如果不花在这个无效的治疗上面，是可以来做很多其他的好事的，所以抵触了 fairness 的守则。所以现在讲的这些，大家有个概念，知道为什么在这个很重要的医疗伦理这几个守则，事实上在我们平常碰到的例子上面是有很多机会互相抵触的。这就是为什么你一定要让你的那个医疗时间指示把它写清楚，所以你所爱的人跟你的儿子、女儿或孩子们不需要替你做很困难的决定。Just for the fair example that I just gave you, you can see how easy those 5 principles conflicting with each other. So that's why it is important to get a healthcare director said, so your loved one, your kids, doesn't have to make such a tough decision for you. This is a health advanced care advanced director. You have to remember this is California. Each state is different. 这是加州医疗照护事先指示，每一州医疗的 treatment 是什么意思？例如说你要不要插管？什么时候该插管？什么时候该拔管？插管是什么意思？You will have to think this through. You will have to decide whether you want to have gastric tube placed or not. When does it make sense to place? When does it make sense to withdraw? You will have to think this through. 呼吸器 ventilation， 什么时候该插，什么时候该拔，你必须要想清楚，每个人的伦理道德的价值观都不太一样。Everybody have a different moral. So when do you want to put on the vent? When do you want to withdraw the vent? Everybody's moral tells them something different. So when you sign this document, those are the things that you will have to think through. Tube and vent, chances are the patient is going to pass away in a limited time, and it is a very hard